Howdy-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with a quick tip about, well, I guess it's recycling plastic bottles, but also saving your paint or stain or finish. We end up using a lot of these alcohol bottles, not because of the pandemic, we did it before. It actually makes a good deodorant that has no artificial scents in it. Not real long lasting, but then again, most deodorants, not antiperspirants, but deodorants aren't very long lasting. But anyway, I ended up with quite a few of these bottles, and I save a few. And when you have working with a quart can, maybe even a gallon can, and you don't use it all up, when you leave stuff with a lot of space in the can, it ends up drying out even if you seal it up really well. So what I've done is use a quart or a pint container and put, like this is some semi-gloss paint. This is some clear finish, which I'm about to use in another video, you'll see. They do have kind of sucked in, not sure what that's about, because they don't appear to have reacted with the container, and they're actually fairly well sealed up. Maybe they absorbed oxygen or something out of the airspace that was in there and lowered the pressure. Maybe maybe it was warm when I put in there, and now it's cooled off and it's shrunken in. But anyway, that's what I use to be less wasteful on plastic containers, and also help keep the finish in good shape because it doesn't have a whole lot of airspace for it to evaporate and dry out. So hope that's a good tip that helps you guys out. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. See you next time.